The mailman just showed up. It's our CV axle rebuild kit. So that's coming soon. Tonight I'm going to take the Z out for a spin and maybe get some more footage doing that. Going back to Madison, Kyle and I are going, and probably get a few other cars out there too, so maybe we'll end up taking a trip to Mexico. Who knows? We'll see.
Just set it to record. It's recording.
We're live. We're live and recording. Hopefully this thing.
600 or 700.
It's hard to believe.
I don't know.
He's got this fucking Porsche. Wow.
935 is a big ass wing in the back.
Hey, what kind of wheels are these?
They're Atara's. Atara Racing. Thanks, man. Yeah, I had them repainted and airbrushed and everything. I didn't like the original color that they were in. They were kind of like a yellowy gold before, so I got a little bit more of a bronze. Holy! I like yours better than mine already. That.
It's got full EFI. It's air cooled, so
Sure.
80s motor. Makes 580 at the wheel.
Holy shit.
And it weighs 22 meters. It's kind of ridiculous. It's like a motorcycle.
I can't even imagine because this pulls reasonably hard. Wow. I don't know what's better, if the tunnel pulls or looking at this. I want to do a tunnel pull in this.
Oh my god. Yeah, the guy, I didn't build it. The dude, was a doctor that did it. He paid $5 grand for the CNC. I had the roll kit in it.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's sick. It's got those. You'll pick a wheel up when you go down the driveway. Just
So stiff.
Wow.
I don't know, I do,
This is a dream car.
I don't love to do that for this guy.
Dude, this is how you go viral right here.
I do a trip. I got 2 more cars that are somewhat similar to this.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, I don't know if you would do any contact people.
Well, we all had a pretty awesome time last night until on the way back, about a quarter mile from the exit to get off the interstate, a possum runs out in front of me at 1 in the morning and absolutely destroyed this air dam. As you can see, some paint scraped off here, big chunk taken out of it right there. Another chunk, and it hit on this side and then popped this out from this mount. I never showed you guys how this mounted, but it's just, I drilled holes in the back of this mounting tab, and then this skillered delete plate, the bolts on the back side of it run through the holes, and it completely just ripped the fiberglass right out. Luckily, it didn't damage the turn signals, it didn't damage the grill, these plates, everything else is fine. It's just, of course, the brand new, freshly painted air dam was the newest addition to the car, is the first thing to get smashed. So I already called insurance because I do have this thing insured with comprehensive, and they'll cover it, and it'll be a $250 deductible, which is a lot better than $200 plus shipping for a new air dam, plus a lot more than that to get it painted. So I mean, it sucks, but I guess it's not much more than like a speeding ticket or something. It's just sucks that it had to happen in the first place. So I drove it home the rest of the way with the thing kind of flopping. I mean, it's flopping to the side there. It's still attached. I gotta take it off, and I gotta take pictures of it first and send to the insurance company and stuff, but they say they'll cover it. The biggest thing I worry about is the fact that with car show season coming right up, if they can't fix the air dam and have to get a new one, sometimes the turnaround time, depending on where you get it from, can be between a week and like 4 weeks. And there's a lot of car show stuff I wanted to go to in the next few, like 2 or 3 weeks, so it's gonna be a little bit of a problem with that, but I guess we'll see how it goes. There's no reason I can't drive it without the air dam. It just doesn't look as nice, and those turn signals attached to the air dam, so I'd have to find some other way to get front turn signals in it. So I don't know, we'll see, but that's the latest as of last night. But fun night, just didn't end too well. The air dam is off the car, and it's at the body shop now. So this is what it currently looks like. Drift mode, I guess. On a slightly positive note, I got the front end back together on the BMW, finally. But for some reason, I can't just have all of my cars have a front end on them at the same time. So that's all I got time for in this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you next time.